Let's start designing social media post. Bring a background and convert it to .smart object and adjust it. Bring a main object and place it in center. Apply drop shadow to main object. Bring flower in PNG and apply blur effect and adjust it. Write a text with font Century Schoolbook. Write another text with font Corbel. Bring a logo in PNG and adjust it. Change the color of text and logo to look more good. Thank you for watching.